All right, gang, welcome to today's reaction points for Thursday, October 30th, 2025, Halloween Eve, All Hallows Eve. Make sure you give this video a like, a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you like the content. Let's talk about the S&P here. So it pretty much was a one-way trip to the downside after transitioning from Europe into the New York pre-market right here at 7 a.m. Central. So you'll notice that we have pretty clean structure on the way down. Series of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Now you'll notice that we did have a divergent signal right here after taking out the euro lows and the Asia lows. I did take that buy right there. We went from 03 up to 07. Got stopped out on that trade, and then as we started working ourselves deeper into this area here, I'm always thinking, okay, what's the next downside target? Okay, and that was the prior day low. As you can see here, prior day low and weekly open, nice, clear, clean, mapped out in front of us. And that was your A-plus setup for the day. So as we came and quickly, impulsively took out the weekly open and prior day low, we had a 3S code buy signal on top of bullish momentum. That gets you along at 81, took us all the way back up to 05. So again, we're looking for that mechanical target of plus 1.5 to get those emotions off the table. We're looking for plus 1.5. That's going to take us up to 69.05 and right back into the VWAP, okay? Right into the VWAP as well as the euro low. So that's a nice sticky area, and we're also getting the turning point here about 15 minutes into the into the open, and then pretty much a chop fest. You can see our levels. We have levels that are tradable against, scalpable against, if you will. But then we slide lower. The algo sell buttons get triggered here as we head into the close. We have some reaction again off that prior day low, weekly open here and here, possibly for some scalps. And then we get some short covering action into Amazon earnings there post close. If we look over at crude oil, here is crude action getting a nice little bid today. Same thing here. We got a small sweep of that euro low, quick plus 1-1 on the trade. So pretty much a break even. What is next down? What is the next potential downside below prior day low? There you go again. 3S code buy. There's your plus 1. We easily get a plus 1.5. Ended up being the low of the day down here at 59.75. Then we stretch to the upside. We take euro highs out. We take Asia highs out. We get a nice reversal here. Divergent signal. 3S code sell. Easy. Well, let's see. I did not take this trade. Let's see on the trade. We're looking for a plus 1.5. There we go. There's our plus 1.5. And then we go higher. No reason to sell up here, although it does look good there in hindsight. Gold, not very much going on. We had really one A-plus setup there in the morning. Other than that, just kind of drifted sideways and drifted higher ultimately. See some reactions here. Pre-market hanging around the VWAP and opening range here of New York, clearing out the euro high, divergent signal on this huge steep trend line up, 3S code sell. What are we looking for? A plus 1.5. And let's get that bad boy. There's our risk. We're looking for a plus 1.5. Oh, man, didn't get it. There's our plus 1.5. Came back up, stopped yet at break even. But there was some profit potential there depending on how you manage a trade. Other than that, again, kind of nasty, kind of sideways action. Try to trade this, would have likely been chopped up. No levels here, just bouncing around the prior week low. So other than that, it's a post-Fed day. Sometimes can be good, sometimes not as good. We had some key levels trigger now that we start to see some downside in the indices. So I expect Friday, spooky Halloween, October 31st tomorrow, to provide some good ideas and good setups. As always, if you have any questions, want access to this program, want some coaching, mentorship, book a call, t2markets.com, and we'll see you on the next update.